Yep. I guess I've kind of known since I was pretty young that I was a hands-on type of person. Actually, when I was 3, I had an incident where I was playing with stuff on the tractor, and I got out of park and almost, what could have had a very bad ending almost happened, but it didn't. I enjoy the problem-solving stuff.
Attended Highland Community College my freshman year, then took a gap year, and then currently a student at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, majoring in agribusiness, markets and management, with a minor in business.
My main spot nowadays is working as become a John Deere service technician outside of just working on the family farm.
On the family farm, raising corn, soybeans, and then we also custom raise Holstein replacement heifers for 2 local dairies.
The 2008 Young Leader Achievement Award winner, Chad and Deb Bremmer.
My dad and grandpa both were very active in Young Leaders Farm Bureau and also Illinois Farm Bureau as a whole. Back in 2008, my brother Ethan and I was 4 and he was 2.
Ben, he likes to, do stuff with drones. He kind of manages that sort of the aspect and more of the business type stuff.
Ever since a very young age, I've always been inquisitive. The first time I ever got a drone was actually at the Illinois Farm Bureau annual meeting when I was 9 or 10 years old. I put my name in for the raffle, and then later that afternoon, my name was called. Frankly, I don't even think my dad ever knew I put my name in for the drawing for it.
Where I like to work on equipment and, understand why it runs the way it runs. And my younger brother Eli, on the other hand, he enjoys everything with the dairy cattle. So that is one of his favorite things, is just work in the barn all day and do whatever he can with the cattle.
A lot of people say, well, you 3 look like brothers.
From the 2008 footage, I was 2 back then. Since then, a lot has changed because of the fact that we're expanding and creating different avenues in just Bremmer Farms and how we operate.
Growing corn and soybeans, as many people know, margins are shrinking, inputs are rising, and this makes it a lot more challenging for operations to be able to continue farming with the same acres that they have. And so for us, it's myself, my 2 brothers, and 2 cousins. All 5 of us want to come back home and farm. The big thing is finding ways to create new niche markets and diversity in operation. One thing my brothers and cousins and I have started is Valley Aviation LLC, and this is a drone business where we're going to spray fungicide and insecticide on corn, soybeans, wheat, and other crops such as alfalfa during the summertime. Spraying 2 gallons an acre, so be able to spray about 5 to 5.5 acres with every fill up. The drone, it sprays about 32 feet per second. It's all controlled right off here, off of this controller.
Working with the family, though, I think it's one of the biggest blessings of working on the family farm.
This will be the first year actually being in operation.
It's never a sole person doing one thing. You have to have other people to help you out along the way.
The passion has been passed down from generation to generation, and I think my father has really kind of instilled that value and work ethic into my brothers and I.